In agriculture, ongoing advancements are essential for a future where agricultural machinery transcends being mere tools and becomes collaborative partners in action. Let's explore cutting-edge technologies, these advanced stars that elevate agriculture to new heights. They're more than just machines, they're allies in agricultural prosperity. This is the cleaning process for pumpkins before they undergo further processing for new products. This is the Japanese rice cutter, suitable for harvesting rice, wheat, and corn in hilly areas. It's lightweight, easy to transport and maintain, and has a simple, reliable design. Introducing robots into the process of picking and placing bell peppers is an exciting development in the agriculture and food processing industry. The robot is meticulously programmed to identify and select high-quality bell peppers. From the washing and trimming machines to the processing and packaging steps, every phase of the sweet potato production process is executed with precision and meticulous attention to detail. In the fields, bell peppers are harvested simultaneously and quickly to ensure their best quality. This allows for the harvesting and processing of bell peppers in large quantities and on a large scale. After harvesting, mangoes are sent to factories for packaging or juice production. At the factory, mangoes are washed, sorted, and packed before being shipped to supermarkets. This variety is known for its large heads and vibrant green color. It grows quickly and yields a high harvest, making it ideal for mass production. Calabrese is an excellent choice. They carefully detach the peppers from the plants and place them onto the tramway conveyors, ensuring freshness. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. With the flexibility and efficiency of technology, each tomato stem is inspected and graded quickly and accurately, making the production process more robust than ever. As the cabbage exits the final conveyor, it falls onto a bar belt that carries it to the container or wagon. The container can be lifted either by a hydraulic lifting mast or a container charger. This process ensures efficient and careful harvesting of the cabbage while also maintaining it in the best possible condition for consumption. Adjacent to that is the apple grading and packaging line, the centerpiece of modern apple production. Here, apples are automatically sorted based on size, color, and quality using state-of-the-art technology. The machine automatically identifies and cuts pumpkins from the crop with a precise cutting system. It eliminates unripe or damaged pumpkins, ensuring only fresh and quality produce. Heavy work of packing potatoes. The potato washing, grading, and optical sorting line by Tong Engineering offers a comprehensive solution for processing large quantities of potatoes. Optical sorting is an advanced technology integral to this process. Each lemon undergoes meticulous scrutiny for size, color, and blemishes, ensuring only the highest quality produce. The cucumber harvester operates strongly and durably under a heavy workload, showcasing its excellent harvesting ability and helping farmers achieve a good harvest in the fields. These lemons aren't just for beverages, they can also be processed for medicinal purposes. Do you know what kind of fruit this is? If you do, comment with the number 6 below. The strawberry sorting, weighing, and packaging line is an automation marvel. Here, strawberries are sorted by size and color, almost like robots, throwing a lively strawberry party. Automated machines trim the tough parts of the stems and leftover leaves, leaving only the broccoli heads suitable for consumption. Often, the broccoli is blanched or briefly treated. The innovative apple harvesting machine operates efficiently, revolutionizing traditional methods with precision. It delicately plucks apples from the branches, minimizing damage. Here, we see a specialized conveyor machine designed for harvesting broccoli and cauliflower. The belt, which is attached to the side of the harvesting trailer, is available in lengths of 7.5 meters, 9 meters, and 10 meters. Cutting fresh garlic. The cucumbers are clean and shiny. Laser sensors accurately monitor, analyze, and evaluate the condition and quality of each cucumber as it moves through the system, ensuring quality and proper classification. Combining the delicious taste of potatoes with the spiciness of May creates a dish that symbolizes creativity and flexibility in cooking. Each piece of potato is sweet and crispy. The harvested broccoli trimming machine offers a safe, effective, and consistent way to trim broccoli. Manufactured in stainless steel with a full HMI touchscreen control, the trimmer ensures ultimate ease of use and operator safety. Using specialized tools, Workers cut the branches free and attach them to the tramway cables, which gently transport them to a central collection point. Farm fresh ninja fruit cutting. The onion cutter bar's highly sensitive height control ensures precise cutting as the HM is lifted and the knives work with precision. This feature contributes to the machine's smooth operation and maintains a consistent cutting height. The most perfect potatoes will be prioritized for cold storage, while defective potatoes will be handled separately. Custard apples are small trees with fragrant flowers and edible fruits, popular in home and edible gardens. They can produce fruit even when kept small and require very little maintenance. For vegetable harvesting or winter storage, one impressive piece of machinery stands out: the Asa Lift Reaper. It's not just a machine, it's a mobile cabbage factory equipped to harvest and pick with remarkable efficiency. Natural life and beauty. In the processing factory, the grading and packaging stages are conducted using an automatic conveyor system. Packaging is performed swiftly with automatic packaging machines, whose stable and durable operation makes the product packaging process quick and efficient. In the expansive palm oil plantations, an advanced agricultural machine transforms the harvesting process. This mechanized approach not only increases efficiency, but also minimizes manual labor and reduces harvesting time. Carrots are an indispensable staple in the culinary world. With their bright color and unique flavor, they are not just a common vegetable, but also a symbol of nutrition and freshness. Seeing fresh carrots neatly arranged on the line is a delightful sight. From chorizo packets, a refreshing and nutritious salad is crafted. The automated salad packaging line marks a significant stride in enhancing efficiency and quality in the food industry. Techniques for extracting pure honey from the hive. Mangoes, often hailed as the king of fruits, are celebrated for their sweet and tangy taste. With their abundant nutrients and adaptability, mangoes are cherished and enjoyed worldwide. At harvest time, the raspberries are vibrant, red, and brimming with sweetness, indicating they're ripe for picking. The machine gently rolls over the roll of raspberry bushes. Processing V-Vabel juice creates an indispensable drink for the hot summer. With its fresh flavor and rich nutrients, it not only quenches thirst, but also provides essential nutrients for the body. The sun casts a golden hue over rows of avocado trees heavy with fruit. A group of farmers, armed with long poles and baskets, gather for the day's harvest. OMG, jackfruit. The drone Korea is a state-of-the-art agricultural drone that precisely assesses and treats crops. It enhances crop productivity and minimizes resource usage. Let's take a moment to appreciate the image of bright yellow oranges arranged in a chain, resembling characters in a lively scene. With their vibrant color, the oranges shine like stars on the peak of their stage. When harvesting pumpkins, choose a dry, sunny day. Wear gloves to shield your hands from the prickly vines. Use hand pruners or a sharp knife to cut the vine on both sides of the stem. All these potatoes are then gathered and stored in a room. This way, they can be quickly taken out when needed, ensuring that the processing never stops. You'd be amazed by the sheer quantity of potatoes. Increasing production can extend the storage time and enhance the value of pomegranates in the market. After cleaning, the pomegranate is peeled, and its outer membrane is removed. Then the seeds are juiced to extract a flavorful juice. Rural life and cutting sugarcane. It's beautiful, natural, and so sweet. It's also fresh. Kiwis are meticulously placed in containers to preserve their freshness and shield them during transportation. In the packaging process, the fruits are sorted by size and arranged in plastic trays before being packed into boxes. In a blueberry processing plant, the process involves receiving and inspecting freshly harvested blueberries, cleaning them to remove dirt and debris, and sorting and grading them based on size and ripeness. The watermelons are then transferred to the next station where employees are stationed for sorting. Here, workers meticulously inspect each watermelon as it moves along the conveyor belt, sorting them accordingly. A lettuce packaging machine is an automated device utilized in the food industry to package lettuce or ready-to-sell lettuce products. It cleans, packages, and seals lettuce in suitable packaging, thereby enhancing production efficiency. If you're busy enjoying this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Banana plants typically yield fruit between 15 and 18 months after planting. Once the plant flowers and bears fruit, the upper part of the plant dies off. But a new plant emerges from the same roots to take its place. Growing strawberries in a greenhouse is a smart move for farmers as it allows for a year-round supply of these nutritious berries. Greenhouse strawberry cultivation is popular worldwide, with North America being particularly prominent in this practice. The harvesting equipment receives carrots as they are unearthed from the soil. As the carrots are unearthed, they are lifted onto the conveyor belt by the digging elements and transported toward the rear of the machine using the conveyor paddles. The Japanese snow apple cultivation technique involves harvesting apples and storing them under the snow. Initially, born out of necessity, It turns out that natural chilling and stable humidity levels increase amino acid levels, making carrots, apples, daikon, and other root vegetables sweeter, and their aroma less earthy. He's become quite familiar with this job. In a cherry production facility, various key steps are involved, such as procurement, inspection, sorting, cleaning, packaging, preservation, treatment if necessary, and distribution or delivery. Cherries are meticulously selected, cleaned, and packaged during this process. The carrots enter the main washing stage, where they undergo thorough cleansing using a combination of water jets, brushes, and rotating rollers. These mechanisms work together to scrub the carrots and remove any remaining dirt or contaminants. Driven by automation, this machine optimizes the kale harvesting process. It autonomously traverses the fields, adeptly identifying mature kale plants ready for harvest. The pumpkin fruits are swiftly lifted and set into rotation, propelling them with a momentum for a rapid lateral transport. In the lead-up to the harvest, farmers diligently inspect apple orchards. Additionally, apple growers routinely assess the sugar content in apples to pinpoint the optimal time for harvesting. Harvest strawberries in the early morning when the temperatures are cooler to ensure they retain their freshness. The Amada's AR2200 is equipped with a gentle yet efficient harvesting mechanism, ensuring peanuts are delicately extracted from the soil with minimal damage. This not only preserves the quality of the harvested peanuts, but also minimizes waste in the process. Art Reiter, a kale farmer from Nieuwe Niedorp, together with his team, harvests a kale field in Kallensoog. The tree shaking machine is transforming the plum harvesting process by gently shaking the tree, allowing ripe plums to gracefully fall onto a collection surface. In the state of California alone, where annual plum production reaches a significant 361,000 tons, this innovative method is making waves. The onion lifter stands out as a specialized agricultural machine crafted for the gentle and efficient harvesting of onions. Outfitted with adjustable lifting blades, it delicately loosens the soil around the onions, preventing any potential damage. The Delacroix Flora trimmer is specifically crafted to streamline in-field processing of broccoli, eliminating the necessity for post-harvest transportation to processing facilities. The robotic arm navigates through the orchard with unparalleled precision, using sensors and advanced computer vision technology to identify ripe fruits. The potatoes are conveyed in a container-like hose, sending small batches to the peeling machines for further washing. The peeling process is incredibly delicate, ensuring only the skin is removed without wasting any part of the potato. A team of 15 people work together to harvest kiwis, filling containers in about 3 to 4 minutes when operating efficiently. They prioritize harvesting larger fruits first, ensuring smaller ones have ample space to grow. In the packaging and labeling department, workers pack the pineapples with their crowns separately for export. Pineapples with the perfect size and shape are carefully packed in boxes. Best relaxing fruit tree farming. The combination of this harvester with Fendt and New Holland tractors improves transportation capabilities and streamlines the harvesting process. The final destination for these potatoes is in the factory. When harvesting your fruit, it's essential to know how to identify which ones are ripe for picking and which ones should remain on the tree to ripen further. After the harvest, the peppers are sent to a large processing plant, often containing a vast warehouse filled with large containers capable of storing millions of peppers. The oil palm continuously produces fruit bunches in the axils of its fronds throughout its economic life, starting typically in the second or third year after planting. Do you know the name of this palm fruit? Berries selected from the greenhouse are transported to the production factory. At the factory, strawberries undergo washing, removal of stems, and sterilization steps. Harvesting beans usually starts when the pods are ripe. The beans are then separated from the plant, either by hand or using harvesting machinery. After that, the beans are transported to the processing facilities. Grape harvesting poses a yearly challenge for winemakers, requiring careful and swift transportation of the harvested grapes for processing. Agave thrives in regions like Mexico and the southern United States, where the hot climate provides ideal conditions. It particularly favors the volcanic soils of Mexico, where it has been highly valued by generations of families. Harvesting peanuts. The workers pack the peaches in a bag, and when the bag is full, they transfer the fruit to another container. Each farm typically requires about 20 to 40 harvest workers. Harvest time varies on the peach variety, but they usually reach maximum ripeness in late June to early August. Bid farewell to the apple orchard. And let's venture into the watermelon fields. According to TKai's 2023 data, Turkey boasted a noteworthy watermelon production of approximately 3.46 million tons last year. Among them, Oron stands as the top contributor in Turkey, yielding an impressive 61,000 tons. Watermelons, all classified under the species Citrullus lanatus, are believed to have been domesticated in the regions near Libya and Egypt. It's crucial to allow watermelons to ripen fully on the vine, as they do not continue to ripen after harvest. This is a must-try. Amazing Palmyra palm fruit cutting skills. In 2022, Maine farmers harvested 77.5 million pounds of wild blueberries. Maine's harsh climate yields unique, healthy wild blueberries that cannot be grown anywhere else. Wild blueberries are typically harvested from late July to early September. The fruits are harvested at full maturity, carefully selected to attain the desired color and size. Some varieties are picked while green, while others are best harvested when they turn a brilliant red or yellow. In a modern corn processing plant, every step, from cleaning and sorting the corn to milling and packaging, is meticulously and efficiently executed. Strict quality control measures ensure that the final product meets the highest standards for consumers. At the processing facility, workers immerse the fruit in 36 degrees Fahrenheit water to immediately halt the ripening process. After soaking the peaches in an ice bath, a sprawling irrigation ramp stretching over 380 feet at Lussier Farms. Onions are receiving water from a reservoir, with hundreds of gallons being distributed in the fields to foster optimal growth during periods of intense heat. Stealing the spotlight is the Grimm GZ1700 DLS harvester, armed with a robust design and cutting-edge features, poised to take on the task at hand. With its advanced digging and lifting mechanisms, this harvester expertly extracts carrots from the fertile soil. Harvesting leeks with the ASA Lift automatic box filler is a streamlined and efficient process. The machine adeptly extracts leeks from the field, and the automatic box filler ensures the harvested leeks are promptly and neatly loaded into boxes. This compact tool proves invaluable in preparing food for various poultry types. In Hungarian orchards, a harmonious combination of traditional handpicking and modern machinery ensures the efficient harvest of vibrant red apples. Workers adeptly pluck the ripe fruit by hand, complemented by specialized machines that assist in collecting and transporting the bountiful harvest. A compost turner is a specialized equipment designed to periodically mix compost, expediting the composting process and improving the quality of the compost. Celeriac harvesting is efficiently carried out using a John Deere 6150R, equipped with a Grimm FM-300 front mulcher and a 6-row Grimm Rooster 604 sugar beet harvester. In this specific instance, the setup proves versatile for harvesting celeriac as well. Based on my knowledge, there is an ongoing harvest of a particular type of grass in Hungary. If you possess additional information on this subject, feel free to comment below and share your insights with me and others. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey as we explore the forefront of agricultural machinery. If you share our enthusiasm, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Mind Machine for more awe-inspiring content on cutting-edge agricultural technology.